The last fix was here at 0400.
Bearing 290, Cap.
We're cutting it close to the convoy route.
So this is all we found from the wreck.
A few dishes and twisted metal. It's hard to believe anyone made it out.
The silence here is absolute, broken only by the diver's breath and the groaning metal of the sunken Leviathan.
We have a solid contact, Captain.
Mark the position. He's trying to evade.
Ready the depth charges.
The sonar is picking up something large at 200 meters. Keep her steady.
One more time now.
She's fully provisioned and ready for departure.
Excellent work. A magnificent vessel indeed.
The ventilation grate seems misaligned.
Yes. And this connection here is loose.
I'll make a note to secure it.
Check the seam right here, Thompson. Make sure the rivets hold.
Yes, sir. Looks solid, but I'll make a note.
Look at that, the biggest ship ever built.
We got the scoop. Front page news across the country.
Look at that! She's finally moving! Hooray!
All ashore that are going ashore. Passengers keep moving, please.
Right this way, madam. We'll take care of that trunk for you.
Hold the chart steady, mister. We must adjust course immediately.
Aye, sir. New heading at 320.
Engine full ahead.
Full ahead, aye, sir.
Steady on. It's merely a precaution, you see.
Yes. I suppose you are right.
Please wait here. We will inform you shortly.
But we are tired, and the children are hungry. When can we board?
Okay, move that stack now.
We're running hot. Keep them rolling.
We must determine who is responsible for this failure.
That's 12 meters exactly, confirming the previous count.
All right, documentation updated. Let's move to the next row.
Bearing 090, mark the contact.
Steady bearing. Range decreasing rapidly.
This section of the schematic shows the stress points. We need reinforcement here.
Understood. The calculations confirm your assessment.
Steady on the lines, men! Watch the port side! Lower away, slowly now!
But the charter party explicitly states force majeure.
That applies to the cargo, not the structural integrity of the vessel itself.
Lift easy, watch the swing. Bring her down slow now. Secure the wedges.
Is the measurement correct for this case?
It needs to be shifted just a few centimeters to the left.
Look up for intended trim that one.
All right, lift her slow. Watch the cables on the port side. Easy now.
The trajectory here doesn't match the seismic data.
But the sonar readings are clear. We can't ignore the depth.
We have to verify the source first.
I understand your reservations, but the current policy is failing the regional centers.
With all due respect, the metrics show incremental progress. We must stay the course.
The ice is closing in faster than predicted.
We push through. There's no turning back now.
Heave on that winch. Hey, it's secure now.
Get out, man.
This stress point here, it won't hold under pressure.
I know. We need to reroute the support structure immediately.
The readings from Sector Gamma are getting worse.
I know. We can't proceed with the current schematics. We have to modify this joint.
projections are clear, Doctor. We have to proceed.
But the interference is too high. We can't guarantee success.
I can't get a clear read on this. It's too blurred.
Wait, look at the spike here. That's definitely not a whale.
Be incredibly careful with this section. It's barely holding together.
The corrosion is accelerating faster than we thought.
There's no denying it now. The depth confirms the impact.
So the intervention failed. We have to report the loss.
We hypothesized this timeline, but the collapse is accelerating faster than expected.
Look at the depth here. The instability is clear.
And the decay rate suggests we have less than 48 hours before total collapse.
The legal framework is clear based on the precedents. But the historical context cannot be ignored. We must...
And so we look upon the wreck not just as a maritime disaster, but as a testament to the fragility of human pride.
This course takes us too close to the known U-boat positions.
We don't have a choice. Look at the fuel estimate.
Therefore, we must insist on the established boundaries as outlined in Appendix 2.
These coordinates confirm it. These waters belong to no nation, only to memory and time.
These plates show the progression of the collapse.
We are documenting an elegy, not a recovery.
The structural failure here was catastrophic, as you can see from the deep-sea imaging. It fundamentally changed how we approach salvage operations.
This sector is heavily monitored. We must reroute here.
That adds 3 hours to the journey, maybe more.
Correct.